Top 6 atom shape round dial window material type manual clasp fold over clasp case material stainless steel case diameter 42 mm case thickness 13 mm band material stainless steel band size man standard band width 24 mm band color black dial color black bezel material stainless steel top 5 Japanese quartz movement case diameter 43 mm water resistant 200 meter atom shape round dial window material type manual display type analog case material stainless steel band material leather band size man standard band width 21 mm band color black dial color black top 4 movement eco drive water resistant depth is 330 feet bezel function stationary calendar date band color black dial color black band size 9.5 inches case thickness 17 mm case material stainless steel display tab analog glass buckle top 3 43 mm stainless steel case with mineral dial window Japanese quartz movement with analog display water resistant to 200 meter dial window material type manual display type analog glass fold over glass metal stamp no metal stamp case thickness 13 mm band color black top 2 water resistant depth is 990 feet atom weight 5.82 ounces bezel function unidirectional calendar date band color black dial color black bezel material stainless steel band size 8 inches case diameter 48 mm case thickness 19 mm cloth buckle case material stainless steel top 1 atom shape round dial window material type mineral display type analog glass buckle case material stainless steel case diameter 5.3 centimeter case thickness 18.5 millimeter band material polyurethane band width 27 millimeter bezel material stainless steel bezel function unidirectional Movement Japanese Quartz. Water recent depth is 660 feet. Calendar date dial color black. Band length man standard. Band color black. Excellent timepiece. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny.